doing a little garden harvest today because tonight's supposed to be down into 30-degree weather. I will have another video posted of me prepping stuff for the winter. It says to pick all the fruits off of there, but I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put a 5-gallon bucket over this. Maybe. We'll see. So I did pick one of my eggplants. Don't really want to pick this smaller one because it's not ready yet. I bet I'm going to regret that. So, just kind of coming down the line here and kind of picking what's left of the fall garden. Because like I say, we are coming into winter time, but we are picking some stuff just to make sure we don't lose a harvest that we could have had. This one was ready to be harvested a long time ago. It's awfully hard now. I don't know if I'll be able to use that. Worst case scenario, we'll stick it in the vegetable bag that we make vegetable broth with. This one down here is not any good. So, we open it. Pitch it down in there. Now my butternut squash is not ready to be picked. Don't necessarily think that one is either. If I lose some, it's not a big deal. Which I'm probably going to lose some. But that just tends to happen. I don't have too much to harvest anyways. I think I got some green habaneros over here, but these I am going to squish together and put a bucket over it if I have enough buckets. Like I said, I did do a video of that, so you're more than welcome to go over and watch that video. This is just a smaller one of me harvesting a little bit of stuff. Now these leaves get picked because everything went to bolt. Why is this closing on its own? So everything went to bolt here. So it's okay if anything gets lost from this area, but I would like to harvest the leaves because I am dehydrating the leaves. At least what I can of the leaves. The bottom got a whole lot of holes in them. And we've had worms, I guess caterpillar worms or whatever you want to call them, all the way up until now. We're November the 8th, I think. Cauliflower. You can always fry the stems if you wanted to. But it's just time for this stuff to come out because it didn't make nothing. So no sense keeping it in there. And if you can use the leaves for something, you might as well do it. Worst case scenario, I'll leave it here. Maybe it'll grow something next year, but I have other plans for this stuff. These you just take them inside and wash them. Cut them up, put them in the hydrator. At least that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, you could cook them and make them like spinach dip, except it'd be like cauliflower dip. got a whole mess of them down in here that we're picking out. Like I say, we'll take them inside and dehydrate them. Crumble them up, put them in a jar. Try again next time. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to take from that. And then there's one down there. Probably need to pull from it too. That one's getting kind of big. But nothing's happening. By now I should have some kind of broccoli. I think this one's a broccoli. Might have been a cauliflower. I plant tags with them, but my tags tend to disappear, so I don't know what's happening. But I can always pull some of these leaves off too. Well, the problem is that I don't want to, if they aren't frost tolerant, I don't want them to be a waste. And since it didn't produce anything, to me that'd be a waste. And I don't like wasting stuff. At least, you know, as much as we can not waste. Okay, I think that should be good. My dehydrator is only so big. And you have to run it for like 5 or 6 hours to get these nice and crunchy. And you'd think you'd get a lot out of all that, but you won't. You won't get very much out of that, which that's fine. Something's better than nothing, I always say. Y'all stick around for some more gardening tips.